Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelette dosa. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a good quality dosa batter, 2 fresh eggs, and your choice of finely chopped vegetables like onions, green chilies, and coriander. Make sure your dosa batter is at room temperature and well fermented for the best results. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a delicious final dish, setting the stage for a fantastic meal. Next, we'll focus on crafting the perfect dosa base. Heat your non-stick tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Once hot, pour about 1 ladleful of dosa batter onto the center and spread it quickly in a circular motion to create a thin, even crepe. Cook this base for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the edges begin to turn golden brown and lift slightly. This forms the crispy foundation for our omelet. Now for the star of the show, the omelet layer. In a small bowl, whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and your prepared chopped vegetables. Carefully pour this egg mixture directly onto the partially cooked dosa, spreading it gently to cover the surface. Let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg is fully set and the dosa underneath is beautifully golden brown. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your delicious omelette dosa. Once the egg is cooked through and the dosa is crispy, you can fold it in half or roll it up for easy handling. Transfer it to a plate and serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as coconut chutney, tomato chutney, or a warm sambar. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh coriander, leaves for an inviting presentation and enhanced flavor. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.